Hey, what's up you guys? So I just picked up this Yamaha Blaster. It's a 2006. I got it for a decent deal. I fixed his AC unit. He ended up giving me this in exchange. At first it was supposed to actually be a quick fix, but he needed a few things for his AC unit, and I happened to see this in his backyard here, so I offered him the work for the bike. Has a few pretty cool parts on it. It's fully blown up. The bottom end still might be good. It smells like they ran straight gas, so the top end's probably cooked, which it is. Usually when I have a bottom end issue, it kind of cranks it down a little bit, not too bad. But has work shocks. These are about like 900 bucks. Has an awesome front bumper. It has a skid plate here, Toomey exhaust, and a carburetor here. Has rental grips. I'm pretty sure it has a new steering stem. Oh, I've never even seen this. This is powder coated. No, it's actually just painted. No, it's powder coated. Yeah, it's powder coated. It's in a red frame. It has a rear shock in the back. It has some rims and tires. These are brand new tires in the back. He just blew this up about a month ago. Front tires, decent. Look like street tires. It's flat. There's really nothing to say about this bike. It needs a lot of work, a lot of cosmetic work. I'm gonna try to bring this back to all original. There's a spider's nest here. It's running a filter. They cut out the air box. But yeah, I've never actually seen this before. I built a lot of blasters, and can somebody explain to me what type of shock this is for the rear end? I've actually never seen this. I've never seen this type of shock. Looks like an ATC 250 shock. I don't know. It is a black spring. Oh, that's funny. K&N filter. It has a black spring. I've never actually seen this with a canister on top here. Yeah. Well, it should have had Nerf bars on it. Has this awesome little Toomey exhaust. It has a Klein carburetor. I don't know if I said that already. Has a custom little air filter here. Well, this is a pretty cool bike. This rear end might be extended a little bit. I don't know for sure. But yeah, the wiring's kind of gone. It needs a lot of work. Thumb throttle. Slides really dirty, but it's fine. There's no key here. They bypassed it. They cut up the wiring harness. But don't do that. Make sure you guys put the key in. Let's see underneath the bike now. Okay, so we're back at it. It's all caked on. Maybe the best I can do for now. Looks like the rear axle nut is loose. We're gonna push this over right now, get the bottom. Okay, so we're back at it. We're checking for any damage on the frame itself. Everything kind of looks good. A little bit of surface rust. We're gonna look up the VIN right now.